Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix App Store is not showing on your iPhone home screen. So guys, if you are facing this problem that your App Store is not showing on your iPhone home screen, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to go to the app library and search here for apps and then search App Store and see the App Store is showing or not. If it is still not showing, then you have to just simply open up your settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll down and find screen time. Scroll down and then tap on content and price restriction. Turn this toggle on and then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and here simply open installing apps and turn this toggle to allow, and after that go back to your home screen and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply reset your home screen and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are still having this problem, then you have to just simply restart your device for one time. So guys, do this and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this issue, then again open settings. From here guys, you have to just simply tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. From here tap on Reset, tap Reset Home Screen Layout. From here guys, reset home screen, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.